Hello beautiful people, I'll be cooking beans and plantain today, and what we're going to be using is beans, red oil, we're going to be using salt, we're going to be using red pepper. And the first thing we want to do first is pick the beans, pick the dirt out of the beans, and that is what I'm doing right here. Most of the time the beans usually comes with stones and dirt, but what you want to do is pick it first. Once you're done doing that, you want to boil your water and your onions. Boil it for a few seconds, and what you do is for a few minutes, and what you do is rinse the beans and pour it inside that hot water and onions. Let that boil for a few minutes. At times I let it boil for close to an hour. Once it's done for an hour, I add my salt, and once I'm done adding my salt, I wait for a few minutes. Once it boils a little bit, add your red pepper, and once you add your red pepper, you can add your habanero if you want to. And after a few minutes, like 3-4 minutes, you can add your red oil. That's your palm oil right there. And once it steams up, you can mash the beans all together. You see how it's looking good. This is how I literally prepare my beans, my red beans. And I just let it steam up a little bit. And the next phase I go into is the phase of frying my plantain. I cut my plantain and fry it into oil. Remember what I told you initially? You fry it depending on whatever color you want to give it. You fry your plantain to your taste, and that is my plantain right there. That is the outcome. My part, that's the result. I think my plantain is ready to go with the beans now, and that is my delicacy right there. Try this recipe and let me know what you feel. Thanks again. If you like that and like this video, and hit the subscription button, and I really appreciate all you do.